Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF files to JPEG on a mobile device. It works on an iPhone, it works on an Android device. All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe if you're new, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever while you watch the video. Here we go. So the first thing you wanna go on Google, on Safari, Chrome, whatever, and type in file converter. Here it is. And you want to go down until you see this website with the green logo that says online-convert.com. You want to click on it, and here there's a lot of converters. All of them are free, and this is how it works. You go down until you find the last option that says PDF to JPEG. You click on it, and there you can just upload a file. You can choose from your gallery, photo library, take a photo or video. You choose the PDF file and it will convert it. It's as simple as that. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.